Alright guys, welcome back to Baker's TV. Right now I'm gonna pretend like I'm sleeping and I'm gonna prank my girlfriend. She's gonna think I'm watching porn. Alright? So she's gonna come in the room and I'm not gonna tell you the rest. Watch it and let's see her reaction. Guys, right now I have porn on the computer, two guys kissing, and I know she's gonna come in and check on me. So let's see the reaction.
Babe,
Yeah,
are you sleeping?
yeah.
What the fuck are you watching? Why are you closing it? What are you watching?
Grey's Anatomy.
Grey's Anatomy, stop playing.
Babe,
Are you
stop.
watching gay
Oh my
porn?
God.
Are you
I knew
watching
it.
gay
I
porn?
knew this shit's gonna happen. Stop.
You knew this shit was
Stop.
gonna happen because
Stop.
you're watching gay porn?
Yes, I'm watching gay porn. Deal with it. What the hell?
Deal with it.
So what's
And I'm not good enough for you. You're watching two guys fuck right now? Are you kidding me?
I got
gay
a dick.
porn?
I can get another dick.
Why are you laughing?
Why are you
Why are you fucking laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Because that's a fucking joke.
You
You're a
think it's
fucking joke.
interesting? I'm not a fucking joke.
Yeah, you are a fucking joke. Why are you think this is funny?
You're getting the dick. Might as well let me watch another nigga get the dick.
Buy another guy. Are you fucking gay? Is that why you look at all my
It's
fucking
just
gay
porn.
friends and you think they're fucking
I'm
cute
not
and you
looking at
always
your
compliment
gay-
them? Yes, you are. You're fucking gay.
Like who?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Yeah, you always compliment him. You're fucking
He's
gay,
good
obviously.
looking. I was trying.
You're fucking gay. Why are you're in my room right now watching gay porn in my fucking house watching gay porn? Are you kidding me?
So what?
So
I don't
what?
see the problem with watching
You
gay
don't see the
porn.
fucking problem?
No.
Are you kidding me?
I watch porn like 5 times a day.
Gay porn?
Gay
5 times a
porn.
day? You're gay as fuck.
Dick up the ass, like hella hard.
This isn't gonna work out. This is a fucking joke. We've been together for how fucking long? Are you kidding me right now?
Look.
No, I can't be with a gay guy. I cannot be with a gay guy.
Come here, look.
Come here, look.
If you're watching lesbians, what am I gonna? Oh, you sober, babe? Go it.
You are gay. You watch
Why you
gay
so
guys
loud?
fuck 5 times a
Why
day.
so loud?
Are you kidding me? Cause I'm fucking annoyed. You're annoying. Like what
Okay,
the fuck?
look.
Why didn't you just
Okay,
tell me you like
watch it.
dick?
Watch
Why
it.
didn't you just tell me you like dick?
I don't like dick.
You
It's
obviously
interesting.
like
no,
dick.
I don't like dick. Dick is not. I have a dick. Look, this is interesting. Two gay guys kissing. How often do you see that?
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
You like that?
Yeah.
Why don't you go get a boyfriend then?
I can't because I'm with you.
No, you're not. We're not together anymore. I'm done. Fuck you. This is a joke. You have to be kidding me right now.
Hey, come here. Come
No,
here.
fuck
Come
that.
here.
You
Come
have me
here.
fucked
Come
up.
here. It's a prank.
It's a prank? You're so
It's a
gay.
prank,
It's a
bro.
prank. A prank, bro. You're fucking annoying as fuck. You're gay, aren't you?
You know I do pranks. What the hell's wrong
Are
with
you gay?
I'm not gay.
Are you sure?
I'm not gay. You want to see it? I'm not gay. I have a sign on the I have a sign on my dick says bad bitches
Why did
only.
you say Andrew's cute then?
Huh? Because he's cute. He take care of his nails, his hair more than you do.
More than I do? I think you're
this
gay.
is the camera. I'm just joking.
You're so annoying.
Yeah. Come on, you gotta deal with it.
You're hella annoying.
Don't ever watch porn. I'll kick your ass.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.